Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max though. iPhone 15 leaks have already detailed many of Apple's most significant changes, but potential upgraders need to know that the company is working on something far more ambitious. Initially leaked via Chinese social media site Weibo, and since corroborated by respected Apple insider said that Apple is planning to overhaul the cameras in the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max with bigger sensors and periscope lenses. In contrast, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are understood to use the same primary sensor as the iPhone 14 Pro Max. What this means is a 1.14-inch primary camera sensor for Apple's 2024 iPhone Pros, compared to the 1.28-inch sensor in both the iPhone 14 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max. A larger sensor means the camera can take in more light, which is critical for low-light photography and improved dynamic range. Where is Apple finding the space for the larger sensors? According to multiple leaks, both the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will increase in size, jumping from 6.1 and 6.7 inches to 6.3 and 6.9 inches, respectively, allowing Apple to fit a periscope lens in both models, something the iPhone 15 Pro will miss out on completely. Interestingly, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman had already speculated that the increase in iPhone 16 Pro sizes could mean improved camera hardware, but this is the first detailed information to come out. And the key here is, while Weibo is something of a wild west for iPhone leaks, the leaker has a rock-solid track record and nailed numerous iPhone 14 details ahead of release, as well as being at the forefront of iPhone 15 information that was subsequently corroborated by major sources. Arguably, there is never a good time to upgrade your smartphone because every generation brings new advances. That said, there are better years than others, and the iPhone 15 range is shaping up to be a more incremental update with upgrades actively discouraged by one influential leaker. So for iPhone fans caught in two minds, your patience may well be rewarded. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.